Hey SoulSync family, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into something that's honestly a secret weapon in the game of attraction, what you wear. Yes, your outfit can do so much more than just cover you up. It can make him stop, stare, and want to get closer without you saying a word. I'm talking about those subtle, sexy wardrobe choices that have guys low-key obsessed, from the way you show a bit of skin to the fabrics that hug your curves just right. Whether you want to be playful, mysterious, or downright irresistible, I've got the top 10 things girls wear that drive boys wild. So, if you want to turn heads and keep him thinking about you all day, stick with me. Let's get it. 1. Off-shoulder tops that tease without trying. One of the most subtle but powerful things you can wear is an off-shoulder top. This style shows just enough skin to be sexy without being obvious. Shoulders are naturally sensitive and delicate, so when you flash a little skin there, it creates an invitation, but one that's wrapped in mystery. The key here is that it looks effortless. It's not like you're trying hard, but it screams confidence and flirtiness. It draws his eyes to that smooth skin, making him imagine what it would be like to touch or kiss there. Plus, the way off-shoulder tops move when you walk gives you a natural, sexy sway that's hard to resist. 2. Pull off form-fitting jeans that highlight your curves. There's a reason why guys love well-fitted jeans, especially skinny or high-waisted ones. They shape your body in a flattering way, emphasizing your waist, hips, and legs. When you wear jeans that hug your curves just right, it sends a powerful message. You're confident and comfortable in your skin. It's sexy because it's real and raw. No flashy designs or flashy cuts, just the perfect fit. The best part? Jeans are casual, so it feels natural, but the way they contour your body makes him want to touch, hold, or pull you closer. It's an everyday piece that becomes a secret weapon of attraction. 3. A little black dress that screams elegance and mystery. The classic little black dress never goes out of style, and for good reason. It's simple yet incredibly seductive. Wearing an LBD shows you don't need bright colors or loud prints to get noticed. Just the right attitude and silhouette. It's the perfect balance between classy and flirty, which drives guys wild because it makes them curious. The mystery of what's underneath that dress adds to the attraction. Plus, black is slimming and timeless, so you're guaranteed to look polished and irresistible. When you wear it around a guy you like, you're basically saying, "I've got this," and you want to be a part of it. Lace details that whisper secrets. Lace is one of those fabrics that's instantly romantic and sexy. It's delicate, soft, and has a hint of mystery because it often shows skin, but in a subtle, teasing way. Whether it's a lace bralette peeking out, a lace-trimmed top, or a lace dress, this texture adds a feminine, sensual layer to your look. Lace is the perfect fabric to wear if you want to look soft and approachable, but with an edge of seduction. It invites closer inspection and makes him want to uncover more. The fabric literally leaves him guessing and wanting to touch, which is pure magic and attraction. 5. Heels that transform your entire vibe. There's nothing like a killer pair of heels to boost your confidence and instantly change the way you carry yourself. Heels elongate your legs, improve your posture, and add a subtle sway to your walk that's incredibly hypnotic. Guys notice heels because they make you appear taller, stronger, and more confident, all things that are naturally attractive. Beyond the physical changes, wearing heels makes you feel powerful and sexy inside, and that energy shines through. When you want to turn up the heat around a guy, slipping into heels is like putting on a secret weapon. 6. Silky fabrics that feel like a dream. Silk and satin have a way of catching light and hugging curves that no other fabrics do. They're smooth, shiny, and feel amazing to touch, which makes them inherently sexy. When you wear silk or satin, it feels like you're gliding instead of walking, and that movement attracts attention effortlessly. These fabrics hint at luxury and sensuality without being loud or over the top. Wearing silky materials around a guy is like wrapping yourself in a whisper of elegance and softness, making him want to lean in closer just to feel the texture with his hands. 7. Crop tops that show confidence and playfulness. Crop tops have this flirty charm because they reveal just a little bit of your midriff, a spot that's both casual and surprisingly sensual. Wearing a crop top says you're confident, playful, and comfortable showing off your body without being flashy. It's a great way to balance innocence and flirtiness. Plus, crop tops work with so many different styles, from casual jeans to skirts, making them versatile yet attention-grabbing. When you wear a crop top around a guy, you're sending a signal that you're approachable, but also someone who knows her power. 8. Bold colors that match your energy. Colors matter more than you think. Wearing bold, bright colors like red, emerald green, or royal blue immediately makes you stand out in a crowd. These colors signal passion, confidence, and excitement. Qualities guys find irresistibly attractive. For example, red is scientifically proven to increase attraction because it's associated with love and desire. Wearing these colors around a guy makes him notice you right away and connects your energy with something exciting and intense. Just remember to choose shades that match your skin tone and personality, so your confidence shines through. 9. Subtle jewelry that highlights your best features. Delicate jewelry can be surprisingly seductive. Thin gold chains, tiny hoops, or dainty rings add a touch of sparkle without stealing the show. When the light catches your necklace or bracelet, it draws his eyes to your neckline, wrists, or fingers, all areas that are sensual in their own right. Jewelry also gives off a vibe that you take care of yourself and pay attention to details, which is incredibly attractive. Wearing subtle pieces makes your whole look polished and intentional, enhancing your natural beauty and keeping his focus exactly where you want it. 10. High-waisted shorts or skirts that celebrate your shape. High-waisted bottoms are a favorite because they accentuate your waistline and elongate your legs. Whether it's shorts or skirts, this style highlights your curves and creates a classic hourglass silhouette that guys naturally love. They're flirty and fun, perfect for casual hangouts or summer days when you want to look cute but still catch his eye. The high waistline also adds a bit of vintage charm, making your look unique and memorable. When paired with a fitted top, high-waisted pieces scream confidence and style, a combination that makes you impossible to forget. That's a wrap, SoulSync. These 10 wardrobe moves are your secret weapons to effortlessly catching his eye and keeping him hooked. Which one are you adding to your closet? Drop your favorite in the comments, and if you want more tips on how to slay every part of your love life, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Until next time, stay confident, stay sexy, and keep glowing.